Welcome to your channel MYNT Pro. Hope you enjoyed with this video. So, have you forgotten your phone in your home or in the cafe someday? Did your keys fallen from you someday and did not know where it fallen exactly? Today I have the best solution for this problem. From now, no lost phone or keys, all found. The MYNT ES from Slytech company will fix all these problems. Firstly, the MYNT ES, it's the best product for finding important things. It's a phone locator, key finder and wallet tracker. With the MYNT you'll find your items in seconds. So, how to set up? It's very simple and easy. All you need to do is, go to Google Play, and type the MYNT word in the search bar and you will see the app icon. Click on it and click install. I've do that before. So, after you done, open the app and you'll need to create an account on it. It's simple, then make sure that the Bluetooth is activated. After that click on the plus icon in the right corner above, and select the MYNT ES model. Then long press on the button with M icon to turn on your MYNT. You'll see a yellow icon on your phone, click on it and wait for some seconds, and that's it. As a tracker, it is pretty simple. You set the app to use the MYNT ES as a tracker, for example to tracking your keys or your wallet etc. Then you attach the MYNT to, or place it inside whatever you want to keep track of. Then if the MYNT and your phone get beyond the range of the Bluetooth connection, both your phone and the MYNT start sounding an alarm. For example, I want to track my wallet. All I have to do is select the wallet icon in the app, and choose how long the alarm sounds on both devices and what distance sensitivity will trigger it. And I'll make the MYNT and my phone get beyond the range of the Bluetooth connection and see what will happens. So, as you can see, the phone rang and sent me a notice telling me that my wallet is not with me at the moment. When I click on the notification, it will taking me directly to the whereabouts of the wallet now. That way, you know that you are walking away from the MYNT, and it works pretty good. A neat use of MYNT ES that I have used a few times can enable you to find your phone in the house if you have misplaced it. You simply hold down the button on the MYNT and your phone will start making the alarm sound, then you follow the sound to find your phone. MYNT ES works continuously for 1 year with one CR2032 coin battery that comes with it. The structure of battery compartment is specially designed so that you can easily replace the battery in 5 seconds. The MYNT ES is flexible and loud, attached to a keychain, a laptop or a car. Find the GPS location instantly in the MYNT app. Keep your peace of mind without the hassle of searching in a large parking lot or pockets in each clothing. Finally, the MYNT ES has stylish design and exquisite and intuitive, a compass pointing to each significant things. The MYNT ES will cost you about $15. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.